Good morning, traders. Just a quick weekly roundup of the pound US. It was an interesting week with Brexit on the table. The decision is on Saturday, vote in Parliament, but I heard that there could be an extension till Monday for some reason, something to do with EU extension letter. Well, I don't know, something in the news about that I got from a friend. Anyway, let's have a look at what actually going on. Still, daily trend is up. We had a little bit of weakness here, coming in here, and if we look at the 1 hour yesterday, we can see this weakness was absorbed here. Okay, so as soon as we came down, retested this support level. So we basically went up, came down. This was immediately bought. This bar is off the. It is closed way off the lows. So did this one. So this selling immediately got bought. We saw a kind of a waffle along this top of this line that I spoke about earlier in the week, and then we basically had a breakout here and a retest here on the 1 hour. Okay, I actually did trade this to the upside yesterday for about 60 pips, but I did get out when it came close to the high of this bar. If we look at the 4 hour, we're still in a solid trend. People are talking about gap downs this week and so on and so forth. I'm not holding on the weekend, but this chart to me is pretty bullish. Now let's have a look at the weekly. What we could do is we could basically have some, maybe they won't take the extension well, because this breakout level here hasn't been tested yet. In a normal market, what you like to see is this kind of thing: wave up, wave down. Yeah. So here's the testing for the sellers. We haven't seen that yet. We haven't seen the testing of this breakout level. So, I wouldn't be surprised if there was an extension this weekend, that this thing doesn't gap down a little bit, kind of settle on this level, and then we see buying across the 1.2740 area again. This is a very powerful breakout move. I wouldn't expect this to just crash down, but anything can happen at any time. Okay. But we might well get a test of this level, this support level now from over here on the weekly that we haven't seen tested yet. So there may be something like that. So I'm still preferring buying dips. I still believe that there's a Wyckoff spring behind us. This one here on the monthly and the weekly that I spoke about in one of my videos. So I'm looking to buy any down days. And I don't really want to trade the. I don't really want to trade the the down days at the moment. I want to trade the up days. So I'm looking for any up days. I'm going to prefer to be trading those. And when we look at the monthly, we can look back in time, even over this chart here. We haven't seen anything as powerful as this. We haven't seen anything as big as this one on the monthly. Yeah. So people are talking about, it's going to gap down, it's coming down to 1.1, it's coming down to parity. I don't believe so. That's not what this chart says right now. Okay, this is a powerful spring still at the moment. Brexit is this weekend, so we'll be able to get a clarification on that, right? Okay, safe trading out there, guys. So I think that this is still a bullish chart. I still think that until the dynamics of the 4 hour changes, which it hasn't at the moment, it's still green, still way above the 4 hour middle of the Bollinger Band, which is what that trend line is there. So until this changes, it's basically buy dips, easy trading, shooting fish in a barrel.